Welcome back to the channel, everyone. P Street Garage. I got my 2006 Beetle on the road, and today what I thought I would do is address this broken glove box. Now, a few months back I found a glove box arrangement in a salvage yard. It was a cold wintry day when I did that, so I've got it here with me, and I thought I would try to install it. So here's the new arrangement. Let's see how this all comes apart. So it looks like all T20 fasteners here. 2 here, 3 down below here. I'll take those out. There is a side cover that's going to pop off here. I did this at the salvage yard, but it's been a while, I forget. So there should be a couple of fasteners in here too. I think maybe this one, maybe down here, unless it's missing. Anyway, let's investigate this. So there's one here, and the one down there is missing because this tab is broken. But we're getting, we got a whole new glove box arrangement to go in there, and there was a spare screw kicking around anyway, so that's probably where that goes. So let me take this out, then these 2, and the 3 on the bottom, and there's obviously more down there. We'll check that out in a second. All right, so I got all this undone, but the glove box extends under here. And when I pulled this out of the salvage yard, all this stuff was ripped out. So I'm not 100% sure how much of this has to come out. I see a fastener there and a couple underneath. Let's try those. Okay, the fasteners underneath are all gone, all 3 of them. But this is loose, but somehow still attached, though. I think I'm remembering this, but I'm not sure. I gotta make sure I don't know if this comes off. It looks like a different color. Oh, I heard crackling plastic. Okay, no, I don't see anything broken. Okay, there's my other T20. So there's obviously one over here. So let me pop both of these out, see if this hangs down. All right, let's try by hand. Grab my fingernails in there. Yeah, that's exactly how you do it. Okay, it's all coming back now. Just like that, that will hang down. And then I see the glove box still can't come out. There's a fastener here. Now I hope all this doesn't have to come out. Like I said, I did this in the winter a few months back, and a lot of this stuff was missing. I don't think it was all gone, but it wasn't a complete car, so let's try those. Hopefully that's it. Okay, I think that's it. I think it's dropping down. I'm doing this one-handed, holding the camera. I think that's out. Now there's a few wires. I'm gonna have to look at that a little closer. An auxiliary wire. I think there's a light in here. Glove box. There you go, just fall down. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's take a closer look at our replacement box and see if we can swap these wires out. All right, well, the 3 lights are the actual light for the glove box. The other one is the little plunger button for opening and shutting the door. And the other one is the auxiliary cord. 2006 auxiliary cord. Probably not something we'll ever use, but I'll stick it back in the way it should be. Okay, let's pull the damaged one out. I'll separate these cords and we'll wrestle this thing in. blowers right there, pretty easy access. Got the 3 connections made. I'm going to wrestle this back into place and pop the screws. This is going to be a two-hander, but it should be fairly simple. Let me do that quickly. Okay, so reverse order to put it back is very easy. Fastener, 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 3 on the bottom, and it does work. A little dirty. Side cover needs to go on. We'll do that after. A little middle section. That just sort of hooks in like this, it looks like. You push it in place. Fastener, fastener, and then the other 3 on the bottom, and the 2 end covers. Let me quickly get this done, and we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, well, I got all my covers back in, screws, what have you. I gave this a little bit of a wipe, and as you can see, it works. Pretty happy about that, and our little light works. Okay, well that's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.